So, hello students. So, in this lecture, I will discuss about the projection of the line say AB parallel to both HP and VP. So, line is parallel to both HP and VP. First, I will draw the pictorial view of this, and again, I will just draw the pictorial view. Okay, so this is the vertical plane, and this is the horizontal plane. Okay, so this is vertical plane, this is the horizontal plane, and the line is parallel to both VP and HP. Okay, so this is the XY line. Okay, then the line is like this. It is parallel to both HP and VP. So this is line say AB, A and B. So this is the actual location. Now this line is like this. So it is parallel to both. Now this from here you can see this is parallel to VP and parallel to HP as well. Now you want to see it from the front side. What will happen? You will be seeing this true length, actual size. Okay, so if you project it like here, you get to see what you will be seeing. So it will be true length. Okay, you can see here it will be a true length, true size. Okay, so it will be true size. So you get to see this. This is its projection A dash and B dash. Similarly, if you want to see it from here, okay, in the top, what you will see, it will be again true size, true length you will see, because it is parallel to HP as well. Now if you project it here, what you will see, so it will be again its true length. So it is AB, AB. So this is represented in the HP. So top view is represented in HP, front view is represented in VP. Now again rule remains the same. You have to rotate HP clockwise 90 degree, clockwise 90 degree, rotate HP clockwise 90 degrees. Now what will happen if you rotate it? What will happen? You get to see this. It will be opened up. Vertical plane and the horizontal plane will be coplanar. Okay, so this is separated by XY line. This will be the vertical plane. This will be the horizontal plane. Okay, and then in the front you have to see, you can see there it is A dash B dash, and in the top it is AB. So it is AB. So I will discuss what is the distance from XY line. That thing I will discuss. Okay, now these are the views. Now these two views will be joined by the projector line continuous thin. So these are the projections, front view and top view, continuous thick line. But this will be joined by continuous thin. Continuous thin. So that is the difference between the two lines. Okay, so you can see here, this will be continuous thick, these two views, front view and the top view, whereas the line joining, these are the projector lines, it will be continuous thin. You can also add A naught and B naught. Okay, so this is simply by 2 points. If you join 2 points A dash and B dash, it will be a line. So this is front view of the A, point A, this is the top view of the point A, this is the front view of point B, this is the top view of point B. If you join 2 points, it will be a line. Again we are using the concept of points. Okay, in this. Now what is this distance? Now I will first write the statement. Then I will draw its projection. Now you can write down the statement. A line AB is parallel to both HP and VP such that one of its end A is 25 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. In front of VP. Draw its projections. Draw its projections. When I said draw its projections, means you need to draw its front view as well as the top view. Okay, now it is saying and A is 25 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. So above HP distance, so this is above XY. So this distance will be 25 mm okay, and this distance is given 20 mm. This distance is 20 mm below XY because this is in the front. So this is 25 mm above XY. Above HP means towards front view, and 20 mm in front of VP means it is below XY towards top view. Now I will draw this on the sheet. How you need to draw it? Just have a look. So always draw the front view first, or whichever view you get the true length. Before that you need to draw the XY line. So always draw the XY line first. So this is XY line. Then you have to mark off one of the points. Say A, it is given A. A is 25 mm above HP. Okay, so I am marking it 25 and 20 mm in front of VP. So it is 20 mm just below A. So this is A dash and this is A. Now it is horizontal because this is parallel to both HP and VP. These lines will be horizontal, and line length is not given. I will just given here line AB say 50 mm long. 50 mm long. So it will be given in the statement, length will be given. So it is 50. Now you have to measure 50. Here you have to measure 50, and it will be its front view. You have to draw it continuous thick. Okay, so it is continuous thick 50 mm. Then this is again its top view. Again it will be continuous thick. So this is continuous thick. Okay, and the line joining the front view and top view is known as projector, and this is continuous thin. Okay, you see the difference. You can see the difference between these two lines, continuous thick and continuous thin. Where do we have to use continuous thick line? Where do we have to use continuous thick? So this is both the front view and the top view of the line. Okay, try to use single stroke only. So here it is B dash and B here. This is top view. Okay. Now I will mark off the dimensions. This is X, this is Y, and this is 25 mm above XY line, 20 mm below XY line. You can add the arrowheads. And you can also add the extension line. You can also add the extension line. And this length is 50. This length is 50. Length of the line is 50. So it is there in the statement. Okay, now I will add the dimension line here as well. So everything, whatever is given, you have to mention. So this length is also given. So this is given is 50. I will be using align system, and this is 20, and this is given is 25. This is how you can do the projection of the line when it is parallel to both HP and VP. I hope you got it. Thank you.